I've got a spatula and I'm not afraid to use it. These tongs are ready for action.
You will need
butter.
It's about 50 grams. See how the butter's melted?
Yep.
Like lava. Hold it still. We generally like to put a little bit more. Kara's going to tip it in. Slowly, honey, slowly.
Sometimes we have a little taste of it. Yep.
Okay. Okay, you crack it open with me. Ready? Come in. Yeah.
Look, I'm making the bowl spin.
Kara's spinning the bowl around. Spin, 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 spin. Do it again. Hi.
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 Down, make sure it's all level. Okay, tip it, tip it. And then we don't sieve our flour, do we, guys?
No.
We aerate it with the whisk. Cara likes pinching things, so here we go.
Yeah.
3 teaspoons of bicarb soda. Good work, Leon. Kairos. Okay.
Cups of milk. 2 cups of milk. Batman style.
We're tipping the 2 cups very gradually. Don't start too quickly. That's looking good.
Pour the milk inside the flour.
The wet mix. We're going to pour the wet mix into the dry mix. You guys can both pour this together. Okay, pour it right into the middle in the well.
For best results, one should seek to pour more slowly than we have demonstrated here.
But Bayon's putting in the hard work. He's going to get rid of some of the lumps. So what are we calling our show, guys?
The 3 Cool Bros Kitchen.
3 Cool Bros. Even though I'm your dad, I'm not your bro, but I'm your bro because I'm a bro.
Your bro dad.
Are you guys eating the pancake batter? Is it delicious? You guys like pancake batter, don't you? Bang out all of the lumpy bits. Super fast. Okay, so first we have to be super careful. There's fire, so you need an adult. Kara, you want to get the butter off the knife there? Good. And then generally we like to swirl the. We like a fair bit of butter on our pan. You don't want too much fire. We like to make sure the butter's all over the pan. Hear that bubbly butter? And Kara's gonna go over to the edge and in the middle and pour it in a circular motion like that. Shakety shaky.
Get another spoon.
You think you need a bigger pancake than that?
Yeah.
Okay, Bayon's gonna. Oh, the butter almost fell off the knife, didn't it? Alright, we're gonna need to pour our mixture in. Scoopage. Bottom of the thing. And go in the middle. Pour it right in the middle. Pancake cooking interlude.
Yep.
Okay, I think we might have burnt this a little bit. We don't usually burn the first pancake, which a lot of people do. Yeah.
Oh!
We burn it a little bit, but you know what?
That's a perfect pancake!
These bits will be really crunchy and delicious. Bayon, are they your favourite bits, the little bits on the edges, the crunchy bits?
Some chocolate.
And we might put some chocolate chips in them. Alright, are you going to pop some chocolate chips on top of that, guys?
Yep.
Yeah? Chocolate chip pancakes. pancakes.
Let me get some more.
Here's Bayan putting the finishing touches on his chocolate chip pancake. You also noticed that there's a funny little face. So guys, how have the pancakes turned out?
Amazing! Perfect!
Well, you got them all over your face, so they must be pretty good. And so concludes...
Cookie Show!